Welcome to Astronomy Spotlight for March. My name is Kirk Rosberg. I'm the planetarium coordinator here at the Hastings Museum. And this month, skywatchers will be treated to a relatively rare phenomenon, a total eclipse of the moon. Although you might remember we experienced a total lunar eclipse last March on the 14th. For this eclipse, you will have to stay up quite late or get up early in the morning to watch it. The date is Tuesday, March 3rd, which is why we are putting this up earlier than usual. The start of the lunar eclipse, the point that the Earth's umbra, the dark part of the shadow, falls on the moon, is at 3:50 a.m. Yes, you heard me right, 3:50 a.m. Before this time, only the Earth's penumbra, or a very faint outer shadow, will touch the moon. This cannot be observed visually as it is just a very slight dip in the moon's overall brightness. So the partial eclipse phase starts at 3:50 a.m. Central Standard Time. This is when you'll start to see the first hint of red on the edge of the moon, as you can see here in the planetarium sky. Total lunar eclipse begins at 5:04 a.m. Central Standard Time, and at this time, pretty much the entire moon will be red, as a little bit of sunlight filters through the Earth's atmosphere, backlighting the Earth, and is cast back on the moon. Now, maximum eclipse, when the moon is in the deepest part of Earth's shadow and closest to its center, occurs at 5:33 a.m. Central Standard Time. Usually, the full moon's brightness is about magnitude minus 12.5. At maximum eclipse, the moon's brightness dips to only minus 1.5 in brightness, according to Stellarium. The total phase ends at 6:02 a.m. as the shadow of our planet begin to move off of the moon. The moon sets near the end of the partial eclipse phase, as moonset is at 7:07 a.m. But we will get to see about 95% of the event in central Nebraska, weather permitting, of course. Now, briefly, there is a close conjunction of Venus and Saturn low in the west at dusk on March 7th and 8th. Venus will be, of course, far brighter than Saturn, but they are very close together, very low in the evening twilight. Finally, as I mentioned in the last episode, we are having a live tour of the night sky, what we call Sky Tonight Live, under the actual sky. It is a free event for all ages, weather permitting. It will be on March 11th at Brickyard Park in Hastings. It will start at 9 p.m. and last about 45 minutes. You should arrive 15 minutes early to let your eyes adapt to the darkness. I will have a green laser pointer to make it much easier to see what I'm pointing at. So please join me for that if you live in the area. Thank you for watching Astronomy Spotlight. Join me again next month for another episode.